Hi there, this is an unboxing video to take a look at a new Rubik's Cube card game. It's called Rubik's Match. 1 to 4 players, ages 7 and up. So inside are challenge cards and cubie cards. That must be what these are. All right, so this is what the cards look like. Each one's in a different color, and when you flip them over, you can see each one has sort of a Rubik's Cube design. Each one's a little bit different. So these are the 3 challenge piles, level 1, 2, and 3, and each one gets a little tougher. Level 1, as you can see, is pretty simple. Level 2, a little more complex. That actually is very complex. And level 3, even more complex. And so let's give it a go. So let's try. Let's turn over this, and we'll use the green. And what we essentially are doing is we're laying it out. We have to lay it out in such a way that it exactly matches what we're doing. We'll overlap the white there. Does that look right? I think that's more like that. This one's yellow. Looks like it would go like that. And I think that would go like that. So it looks like I did it. Is that right? To me, it's a kind of a fun game. I think little kids can play it, which is fun. Grown-ups can play it too. Listen, I don't get any money for showing any of this stuff. I'm just interested in Rubik's stuff, so I hope you like it. Take care, bye.